Title: How long does it really take to build muscle? Truth no one tells you you've stayed. In this video, we break down how long it truly takes to build muscle, with zero hype and real science. First, let's kill the myth. You won't gain 10 pounds of lean muscle in a month, unless you're using, well, extra help. For natural lifters, here's what's realistic. Average muscle gain per month, natural, beginners. 1 to 2 pounds of muscle per month, intermediates. 0.5 to 1 pound per month, advanced lifters. 0.25 pounds or less per month. Muscle building is a slow but rewarding process, and the key is consistency. So how fast you build muscle depends on 5 major things. 1. Training program. Are you following a progressive overload strategy? Compound lifts greater than isolation exercises when it comes to growth. 2. Nutrition. You must eat in a caloric surplus with high protein minimum. 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. 3. Recovery. You grow when you rest, not when you train. 7 to 9 hours of sleep is a must. Don't skip rest days. Recovery drives gains. 4. Genetics. Some people build faster due to muscle fiber types, hormones, or body type. Don't compare yourself to influencers or pro athletes. 5. Training. Experienced beginners gain faster. This is called newbie gains. If you're new, you can make amazing progress in the first 6 to 12 months. Small diamond. Section 3. What visible results look like? 2:15. Voiceover. Let's be real. When will you actually see your gains in the mirror? 1 month. Slight strength boost, pump looks, maybe tighter t-shirts. 3 months. Visible size in arms, shoulders, and chest. 6 months. Noticeable muscle definition and size if you're consistent. 1 year. Complete physique transformation if diet, training, and sleep are on point. Don't rely on the scale alone. It can lie. Focus on measurements, arms, chest, waist, progress photos every 4 weeks. Strength in the gym. These are better indicators of real muscle growth. So, how long does it take to build muscle? Months. Even years. But every rep, every meal, and every night of good sleep adds up. Be patient. Stay disciplined. And the results will come. Bullseye. Like this video? Thumbs up, hit that like button.